Welcome to the heart of Brooklyn, New York, where literature meets art in a celebration of one of the most influential figures in modern music, Jay-Z.
Yeah, you can just go in. All right, thank you.
With anticipation in the air, let's step inside and explore the Book of HOV tribute exhibition, a captivating journey through the life and legacy of Jay-Z. The diamond hands at the entrance serve as a powerful symbol of Jay-Z's journey and his impact on the culture. Through this exhibition, we hope to celebrate his legacy and inspire the next generation of artists and entrepreneurs. And here we have the J-Bo sculpture, a striking representation of Jay-Z's artistry and creativity. Inspired by his song The Story of O.J., this piece serves as a reminder of Jay-Z's ability to provoke thought and challenge perceptions. Through his music, as visitors weave through the gallery, they are greeted by a symphony of colors and textures, each painting inviting them to pause, reflect, and immerse themselves in its beauty. For Jay-Z, Marcy is more than just a place, it's a source of inspiration, a reminder of where he came from and the journey that led him to greatness. Step into the heart of hip-hop history as we enter the Baseline Studios section of the Jay-Z Tribute Exhibition. Here, a meticulously crafted model of Baseline Studios stands, a faithful recreation of the legendary recording space where musical magic was made. Every detail has been painstakingly recreated, from the vintage recording equipment to the iconic record plaques adorning the walls. As we peer inside, we're transported back in time to an era of innovation and creativity. The studio equipment itself tells a story of its own. Vintage microphones, analog mixing boards, and reel-to-reel tape machines. These tools were the instruments of choice for the artists and producers who honed their craft within Baseline's hallowed halls. On the walls of the model studio, we see a collection of record plaques, each one a testament to the groundbreaking albums and hit singles that were produced within these walls. From Jay-Z's own chart toppers to classic tracks from other hip-hop luminaries, Baseline Studios was a breeding ground for success.
It's a bunch of people with computers. It looked like some type of, they doing some sales or something. I don't know what that was in there. If you go in, you can go in there. They didn't say anything. But it's a bunch of people on computers, all lined up. Thank you, brother.
Step into the heart of Brooklyn's cultural landscape as we explore the model of the Barclays Center within the Jay-Z Tribute Exhibition. This iconic arena stands as a testament to Jay-Z's influence, not just in music, but in shaping the fabric of his beloved hometown. Behold, a symbol of artistic innovation and musical mastery, the iconic red and white instrument. From Jay-Z's Blueprint 3 album cover, captured here in meticulous detail within the exhibit. This instrument, synonymous with the album's iconic imagery, represents the convergence of creativity and craftsmanship that defines Jay-Z's musical legacy.
That's the basketball rim from Marcy. I don't know.
Honestly, yeah. Yes, right?
This simple rim, weathered by time and countless games played, serves as a poignant reminder of Jay-Z's formative years in the Marcy Projects of Brooklyn. It was here, on these concrete courts, that he first honed his craft and cultivated the resilience that would propel him to greatness. As we examine the rim closer, we see the scars and marks left behind by years of use. These imperfections are a testament to the countless hours Jay-Z spent on the court, perfecting his game and laying the foundation for his future success. Step into the realm of hip-hop history as we encounter a symbol of style and swagger, Jay-Z's legendary leather and wool jacket. This iconic garment, worn by the rap mogul during his rise to prominence, serves as a tangible link to his extraordinary journey from the streets of Brooklyn to the heights of superstardom.
How do you get upstairs? I said, how do you get up there? You been up there?
It's like I'll split on this side right here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You seem like you can get upstairs too.
What's that?
If you can get upstairs too, see some people upstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've never been there.
Me either. But I'm going upstairs. They say the escalator take you up there. It's supposed to be a car here somewhere.
Really?
Yeah.
Trick out.
That's good. Escalator comes down, not up. How y'all doing?
Fun.
Tenets of Jay-Z's is meant to take the hip-hop standards and practices and maximize them. The worlds of hip-hop and basketball are two parallel roads stemming out of the same neighborhoods. Jay-Z made his stake in the Nets and their relocation to Brooklyn an event, centering the same blocks he once hustled out of into one of the city's main attractions.
Sean Carter, aka Jay-Z, with your leadership, the Barclays Center will be the hottest music venue and the most successful arena in the world. Welcome to this.
I stand here and represent us all. I was who I was.
You get to a point in your life where you like really focus on what's important. That's what really just brings me genuine happiness.
Our kids, they don't have those, they don't have a legacy, so, you know, they don't have those businesses that they used to, step into those bars. The young host was a man who grasp different into a reality. But he's exceeded them beyond every imagination, except maybe his own. Observing Jay-Z's career is to witness one of the most fearless displays of trailblazing music has ever seen. One where his musical ability and cultural impact continue to gain access. Only for him
I didn't change my course. It was like, we're gonna create our own company, you know? That's hip hop. We did it, brother! I've never had an inferior complex ever. Like, you know, I was almost, I guess I'm the opposite. I was more defiant to the system. Like, that's how we end up hustling. Like, you know, you felt like you dealt an unfair hand and you used a cheat card. You know, and you have to live on the other side of the law. When I came to this business, I remember Ty telling Ty, man, I don't care about any of this. Like, I was who I was. I wasn't getting to 26. A point in your life, you like really focus on what's important. That's what really just brings me genuine happiness.
Kids, they don't have those, they don't have a legacy, so, you know, they don't have those businesses.
You've not been into those bars, becoming close for the man who grasps different into a reality. But he's exceeded them beyond every imagination, except maybe his own. Observing Jay-Z's career is to witness one of the most fearless displays of trailblazing music has ever seen. One where his musical ability and cultural impact continue to gain him access. Only for him to kick down the door and let the coach in. Much of hip-hop's short lifespan has been marked by Jay-Z's willingness to disclose his limits and his
Enter a realm of luxury and influence as we navigate through a treasure trove of Jay-Z memorabilia. From magazine covers to exclusive champagne bottles, this exhibit pays homage to the mogul's impact on both the music industry and the world of high society.
Tonight.
As we stroll outside the exhibit, we see Jay-Z's sleek Lexus, parked proudly beside the library exhibit. This luxury vehicle stands as a testament to the mogul's entrepreneurial spirit and his journey from humble beginnings to global success.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life and music of one of hip-hop's greatest icons. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share to stay updated on all our latest content. Until next time, peace.